In Orlando, Florida, the Brightline has now opened up a $100 million facility, the most advanced in the region, mind you, sitting on 62 acres that are the Basecamp, if you will, for the Brightline train. So this is a 24/7 operation center where Brightline is going to have 175 skilled workers, from engineers, conductors, technicians, inspectors, you name it related to trains, taking care of all of the equipment, certainly the trains. The Basecamp is a world-class facility the length of 2 football fields featuring cutting-edge technology, some of which you've been watching now. There's a truck shop where coach and locomotive trucks can be disassembled, cleaned, and rebuilt for additional use. A drop table. This is a 25-foot deep drop table that operates between the heavy maintenance track and the truck shop and can swap out trucks quickly to get trains back in service. Then there's the parts warehouse. That's an 11,000 square foot, 3-story tall parts shop. That is huge. A wheel truing facility where wheels can be cut back to their original profile, allowing for a maximum ride quality. 2 fueling islands, a sand island, and an 80,000-gallon drum of biodiesel fuel farm. Don't forget the train wash facility. That can wash a 4-coach train and 2 locomotives in 15 minutes using 75% recycled water with an incredible amount of brushes that sweep the entire train quite rapidly. The facility is also going to have the ability to service up to 16 trains at one time in its undercarriage pits, multiple overhead cranes, a 30-ton crane capable of moving a 30,000-pound engine, storage tracks that extend the length of more than 2 football fields, and the construction for it continues. Brightline recently made history as the fastest train in Florida, reaching speeds of 130. You may have seen my other video. If you haven't, you can check that out. But this year, so I hope to be able to go to that facility when it opens up, and I will try to capture a video of that for you. In the meantime, let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I'm Brad Hines. Thank you for watching.